Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, today I got a quick little tip for you. Yeah, most of us have got a pretty tiny little budget when it comes to your beer budget, your buying your tools and your man cave budget, all of that sort of stuff. So here is a quick little pro tip on how to make a couple of $100 without spending too much money and without spending too much time. Alright, so what we've got today is I've got myself a whole bunch of frangipani cuttings, right? What you do when the missus says, "Oi, get outside and trim the frangipani tree," what you do is you slip out and you cut yourself a bunch of lengths anywhere from around 450 to 600 mils long, right? And then you chuck them in the shed somewhere dry for 7 to 10 days and dry them out, right? Just like this. These have been dried out. Then don't be a cheapskate. Go to Bunnings or wherever you go, buy yourself a good quality bag, couple of bags of potting mix. Don't buy the cheap crap from Big W or whatever it is, because it's just rubbish. I think it's just old newspapers and God knows what. So get yourself a nice bag of premium potting mix. If you're cheap like me, just go around the yard, find yourself a bunch of old pots, no smaller than 140 mil. All right. Now, I'll just move the camera angle and show you what I'm doing. Rightio. So I've set myself up. I've got my cuttings, I've got my pots, I've got my potting mix, and my little girly fork, rake, bloody shovel thingy. Alright, so now start grabbing yourself some pots. Now my brother used to do this commercially, so he said, "Trev, don't put some dirt in and then put this in and then muck around. Just put this straight in, boom, touches the bottom, chuck it there, in with the dirt, no mucking around." And if you do a big open bag in a wheelbarrow, it doesn't matter if you spill it, you can just be quick. Alright, there's your finished product, and then if you're clever, you do the whole operation close to where you're putting them. Show you where I'm putting them. So if we pan over here next to the shed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to line them up right along there. I've got about 40 or 50 of them, and I'll line them up there. Right, so what we do, pot them up, get them over next to the shed, somewhere out of the way, somewhere in the sunlight, preferably somewhere. The thing is with these things is don't water them every day, because they'll rot and they'll be no good. So I put them next to the shed. They get plenty of protection from the shed, plenty of protection from the trees over here, a little bit of sun, and we'll give it a go. Alright, now we'll cue the fast forward and I'll do a couple.
What are you doing?
Hey darling, just putting up some frangies.
Oh, cool. Okay, see ya.
See you, mate. Okay guys, they're all potted up. We ended up with 43. Cool story. Elise and I are at the dump dropping off some green waste the other day, and we come upon this big mob of frangipani branches just sitting there. So we busted out the clippers, and when all of these ones here on my left are the ones we got from the dump, so we don't know what colour they are. These ones here are from our tree, beautiful soft pink. And yeah, so 43. I didn't open the second bag of premium potting mix. This is $18 a bag. I used one bag of this and a half a bag of stuff I already had open. So I'm tipping 20 bucks. 20 bucks for the potting mix. The pots were free because I just got them from around the yard and from the in-laws and that. And the cuttings were free. So I'm gonna wait 3 months, and when they've established roots and leaves and hopefully start flowering a little bit, I'm gonna put them on my local buy swap and sell, because that's free to advertise, for $10 each. So that'll work out $430 worth of plants that we can sell that cost us less than 30 bucks to set up. So yeah, we just leave them now for 3 months, and that'll give us $400, and I can buy some more homebrew supplies, maybe some oil to change the oil in the motorbike or something like that. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a share and a like, and maybe subscribe, and I'll keep the videos coming. Alrighty, see you later.